Mobile filmmaking is evolving faster than ever, and when it comes to smartphone stabilization, no brand dominates quite like DJI. For years, the Osmo mobile series has transformed ordinary phones into powerful cinematic tools. And now, the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 8 is finally here, and it's making waves across the creator world. But the real question is this just a minor refresh, or a true game-changing upgrade? Early leaks and hands-on impressions reveal some fascinating details, from a redesigned ergonomic body and a stronger magnetic clamp, to next-generation ActiveTrack 6.0 AI stabilization, dynamic roll mode, and an overhauled MIMO app with pro-level cinematic tools. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Add in longer battery life, smoother zoom transitions, and even AI gesture control, and the Osmo Mobile 8 might just be the most advanced gimbal DJI has ever made for smartphone creators. So in this video, we're diving deep into every major upgrade, every new feature, and every reason the Osmo Mobile 8 could completely change the way you film with your phone. From its design and build to stabilization, AI features, battery life, and pricing, we're covering it all. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or content creator, this might just be the tool that takes your smartphone videos to the next level. So grab your coffee, and let's get into the DJI Osmo Mobile 8, because this one might just redefine smooth. In the ever-evolving world of smartphone videography, few names have become as synonymous with stabilization and cinematic quality as DJI. Over the years, the Osmo Mobile series has transformed from a niche accessory for vloggers to an essential filmmaking tool for content creators, travelers, and professionals alike. And now, with the recent leaks and early impressions surrounding the DJI Osmo Mobile 8, the excitement is once again reaching fever pitch. But here's the real question. Is the Osmo Mobile 8 a genuine step forward or simply a small refresh dressed up as an upgrade? Let's dive deep into every detail, from design changes and new features to performance and software, to see if DJI has once again redefined the standard for mobile gimbals. Let's begin with the design, because that's where the most noticeable first impressions are made. The leaked images and early hands-on videos suggest that the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 brings a more compact and streamlined body compared to its predecessor, the Osmo Mobile 6. DJI seems to be prioritizing portability and comfort this time around. The grip has been ergonomically reshaped with a smoother contour, making it easier to hold for long shooting sessions without fatigue. It's slightly lighter too, which might not sound like a big deal on paper, but when you're filming vlogs or travel videos for hours, those few grams make a real difference. The material choice is also rumored to have been upgraded. Instead of the usual polycarbonate plastic finish, the Osmo Mobile 8 reportedly uses a matte composite polymer with improved heat resistance and better grip texture. This gives it a more professional feel, much closer to DJI's premium drones and cameras. The color options, too, are expanding, with a sleek slate gray and a new graphite black variant expected to debut at launch. Both are designed to minimize reflections and fingerprints, giving the gimbal a clean, minimal aesthetic perfect for creators who want something elegant yet functional. Now, what about mechanical design changes? Well, one of the biggest improvements appears to be in the folding mechanism. DJI has refined the 3-axis foldable arm to make deployment